In this video, I'm going to show you how to charge your Fitbit Charge 5. So this is the official charging cable that comes with the Charge 5. On one side we have a USB Type A connection, and on the other side we have a proprietary magnetic connection. So what you'll want to do to attach the charging cable to your Charge 5 is take the magnetic portion and notice where these gold pins are, because you're going to want to match those on the back side of the Charge 5. So here on the back of the Charge 5 we have these gold pins, and that is what you're going to want to line up on this magnetic charger. So this is the correct attachment direction. This will not work. So we're aligning the gold pins and then we just attach it like so. You may need to wiggle it, make sure it's on there properly, and it is strong enough to hold the Charge 5. So the next thing you'll want to do is to plug your USB Type A side into a compatible power source. So I'm going to use a power bank, but you can also use a wall adapter or a computer or something like that. So I'm actually going to demonstrate this to you a little bit differently. I'm going to plug the USB A in right now so that I can show you exactly what the Fitbit Charge 5 screen looks like as soon as you attach it. So I'll go ahead and reattach this. And there's the screen. And maybe I need to push that again. There we go. So then it says the charging percentage clearly there on the screen. It's at 50%, and it is charging. And when it is 100%, I'm assuming it will be green or whatnot. And then if you want to use your device just to look at your stats, looks like you might not be able to. Nope, you can actually. So maybe you just, let me see if I can show that again. So I attached the charger. It says it's 51% now. I think if I swipe, okay, so if you swipe from the left to the right side of your display, you can actually access your stats and your device while it is charging. And I don't know if you'd be able to look, you'd probably be able to look at your notifications or things like that. So yeah, that is how you charge your Fitbit Charge 5. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up down below and consider subscribing if you want to see more Fitbit Charge 5 how-to videos. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.